This has many names as string beans, stringless beans, runner beans. What I like about it, it is a very healthy source of protein and it has a very earthy taste of it. So today we are going to prepare a very nice simple curry of this beans with potato. So for that here I got around 200 gram of stringless beans and I'm just breaking it into 3 to 4 pieces depending on the size of the beans. So it's like 1.5 inch of pieces on average. And I got two medium size of potato peeled and cut it into pieces to go along with the stringless beans. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen and let's start the recipe of this very simple, easy stringless beans curry. So we'll start with the basic. Here I put 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 to 2 red chilies into 1.5 tablespoon of oil. And once our seasoning is cooked, we are going to put 1 big size of onion or 2 medium size of onion thinly sliced. And we'll just cook the onion for a 30 to 1 minute and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You can add little bit of salt which helps the onion to cook fast, and now we are going to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the raw flavor of ginger garlic goes away. And then we are ready to add beans and potato. Just give a nice mix, combine it all together and then we are going to add our dry spices. For dry spices here I am adding around half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of coriander powder which is coriander, cumin and black pepper mix, and around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you have separate coriander and cumin powder, just add it accordingly. And now these are the very simple spices we are going to add and it's all done. We are going to add some salt, give it a nice mix and cover it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until all the dry spices is nicely combined and cooked along with the beans and potato. It's been 4 minutes and I've stirred in between and it's all looking good. Our spices is nicely cooked, so we are ready to add tomatoes. You can add fresh tomato as well as canned tomato. Here I'm adding 2 fresh tomato just roughly chopped. And we are just going to cook the beans and potato with the tomato for another 1 to 2 minutes without adding any water, and then we can add some water according to the kind of gravy you want. Our tomato is nice and soft, so this is the right time to add water, and I prefer to add hot water, so here I am adding around half cup of hot water and we are just going to cook our curry until potato and beans is nicely cooked. So add the water according to the kind of gravy you want and add salt and chili at this point if taste and add accordingly, and your very simple potato and beans curry is ready to enjoy with rice, roti or naan. I hope you like this recipe, so please do give it a like if you like this recipe, and there are many more similar recipes on our channel, so please subscribe and thank you for watching.